Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys all my books that I'm gonna use for my class 10 boards preparation. And this was a pretty requested video, so I hope you all will like it. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with the video. So first I'm going to show you my NCERT books, and this is the science NCERT book which I bought online. So yeah, in science NCERT book, physics, chemistry, biology all are together. So yeah. Also guys, NCERT books are the main, so keep that in mind. Reference books come after NCERT. So after you have gone through NCERT thoroughly, then only go to your reference books. So yeah. So next is the maths NCERT book. Again, for boards, NCERT is most important. So after you have practiced NCERT one or two times or as much as you want, then only go to reference books. So yeah, this is the maths NCERT book. So coming to the social science part, this one is the history NCERT book. So in social science we have 4 different books for history, geography, civics and economics. This one is the history book, and we have 5 chapters in history this year. So yeah. So this one is the geography NCERT book, which is contemporary India. So yeah. This is the third book, which is civics or politics. So this one is called democratic politics, and this one is civics NCERT book. So this one is the last part of social science, which is understanding economic development, which is economics NCERT book. So yeah. Now coming to English, this is the Footprints Without Feet NCERT book, which is like NCERT textbook. So yeah. And the second textbook is called First Flight, which is another textbook for English NCERT. Now coming to the books that were given to me from my school. So this one is the chemistry book of Ratna Sagar, and it is only for chemistry, like chemistry, physics, biology are divided. So this book is like pretty good, and the chapters are in detail, and I like this book. Also in this book we have like a lot of exercises, test papers, quizzes, practice questions and stuff. So yeah. And this one is the physics book of Ratna Sagar, and it's in the same format like practice questions, exercises, test papers, quizzes, and stuff. So yeah, I also have the biology one, which is with my friend currently, so I couldn't show it. So yeah. Now this one is the mathematics book given to me from my school, which is R.S. Agarwal. This one is an amazing book for practicing, and after NCERT I would surely recommend you guys for buying R.S. Agarwal and practicing from it. It has a lot of problems and it's pretty nice for practice. So yeah. So for English, my school gave us this book, Living English, which is sort of a reference book, but yeah. So here the chapter is given, the summary of the chapter is given, the theme of the chapter, the character sketches are given, then the NCERT questions are solved, and also some extra questions are given along with the answers, which is a pretty nice thing. So yeah. So another English book that my school gave me is Grammar and Composition, which is I think sort of a like grammar practice book. So yeah. We also got these two map practice books from school. One is for history and one is for geography, which is very helpful. So yeah. So I also wanted to show you guys my IT book, which is Information Technology from my school. So yeah, this is the only book that we got this time for IT. So yeah. So we got a science lab manual, which I really wanted to use in my lab, but for lockdown we can't do that. But yeah. And we also got a practical notebook lab manual. It is like a notebook, so that one was the practical book and this one is the notebook where we have to write the activities and experiments and stuff. So yeah. Now coming to the reference books which I have bought. So this one was actually gifted to me by one of my dad's friend. So yeah, this one is All-in-One Science Class 10, which has been a life savior for me, guys, and I also used this one in class 9. So in this book, the chapter is described briefly in a gist in points, and then we have the NCERT folder where the NCERT questions and in-text questions are solved. Then we have an exam practice paper where we have fill in the blanks, matching, true false, assertion reason questions, passage based questions. Then we have very short answer and long answer type questions, which is I think more than enough. Then we have a challengers, which is basically MCQ, and this book is best for exam preparation and I highly recommend this book. So this is the next book I use for science. This is the Pearson IIT Foundation series. It has chemistry, physics and maths. This book is amazing, guys, for your practice, for practicing problems, maths, numericals and stuff, and also for competitive exams these books are best. So yeah, I also recommend them. So guys, I also have the ICSE books for physics, chemistry and biology. My dad actually bought them for me and I sometimes use it, but I'm in CBSE, so if you're in CBSE, I would say it's not really necessary for you to buy these books for your boards preparation or exams. It's not a must buy, but if you want, of course you can, and you can practice problems and numericals from here. You can read the chapters. So yeah. Now coming to maths, the reference book that I use is R.D. Sharma. Of course, it's a very familiar book. And yeah, this book is again an amazing book for practice. It has a lot of problems in the book for your practice. So yeah, I also recommend this book. So this one is again the IIT Foundation series in maths. I also use this book for my exams sometimes and also for my competitive exams like Olympiad and stuff. So yeah. So the next is again all-in-one mathematics for class 10. This book is again amazing. As I said, the whole all-in-one series is amazing, and you have a lot of questions here and also solved. But it's not like if it's solved you will see the solution and do the maths. But yeah. And for social science, again the all-in-one book for class 10, which was again gifted to me by one of my dad's friend. And this book is again amazing, especially for social science. We need proper question answers in points, which is written here. And beside the questions, it's also written in which year boards exam the question came, which is like pretty helpful. So yeah, I love this book and I highly recommend it. So I hope you guys liked this video and I hope it was helpful. So let me know in the comments below which video you want to see. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.